ne ofa asama to asama sikrom ha nya sem ketwa. Adorable manye, I see you. Mo amenka asem mo share kra na mo share no nyina odomo ko menhira mo. Na ade achi ne ante asem fofora ichiri. Adorable manye, I'm good, and you? Yakoda sorry enne a teacher ni abranti eni ababa wei e wo science lab di kasubom wo science lab ho ena obi passem fobi kwada e passem bi kwotete ye ko video ya video na beto bedwasa da no so a ye tenesere ne abasa. Oh, already nyankopo. Oya branche na wutie me or say what is kasubom? Oh, wunim kasubom. Oh, mo be wi asenche. Yi already nyankopo. Omo di kasubom, omo di kasubom. Me wan sam kan na menya sam wa happen. Ensam a me waka no, ene minim se menya sam wa happen. You see, yabedu generation bi mu a generation a yewom sisi a no. Nobody is safe. Enti eno ami hu se na UK for ede emre bi abasa o ma bani social media for at the age of 16 years. Undi from 16 years going na. Untimi enko social media. Mini omo ya adwene. Se Ghana betimi aduru sam pempenso ni bia enka be boaye. Because and then no kwada ne nyankwada bia mu teacher ni aba mu meba ne so but sunti dia na e wo society ni mu nei no sunti dia na nam nipa nkosha akono so hye we abrante be ma na wutie me na abrabo na waba mu wiase na waba no utimi ehye utimi take control of your mouth and your nikamu kwadu a on woni ye yontamu kwan wasa woni ye die ntamu ekwan wasa tie me pa wa wotie me tie me pa wo ya brantie na waba wiasa basase so ye generation utimi control wano na utimi control woni kamu kwadu na on woni ye yo muntamu nhyeda wasa ye die ntamu nhyeda wasa na ebeye very difficult kire say suntu dia na this generation ya beto mu no nyame nka nipa ho nyame nka mo ho nyame nka mrantie ne memo ano ho nyame nka mo ho na muntimi go through na mamu nkotenhwe bebrebe prepra because suntu dia na wo society ne mu nei no a teacher for munue wate a teacher for munue minim say edene you know as a teacher need here any kwan say woman with student could this grow to that pempenso no but say me kaka me na me hwed suntudia wo generation yimu any challenges are move face ya one kind timu a ubenya asem na bi na abranti akoto abranti na abranti no emergency meeting brotherhood emergency meeting or nsem yi ano say ye na ye nyina ye de na mienu ne nam na wo de wo nan miensa illegal ewi asinyame ma obi a nan mienu wo sa abranti wo nan miensa illegal president brotherhood president o say timi for emergency meeting abranti wo so be kire nsem mu minim emrama no muntie me minim obisa akwate diawa rade yakopo akwawe on ade na si ye no meblemu sa akwawe memblemu ababawa no ewiase be ma na di ba be ma na kodi ayi mrante hin na ka o se be ma na kodi ba be ma na di ba enti abrante we meblemu no memblemu ababawa no munim na enti meblemu abrante no say yeah at the verge of say oba ohun sane wo at that verge, at that junction. I was at junction so wo hu sane wo. Na wutimi withdraw 21 grand salute. Hwe enya better sao. Say junction no so e won ye fre honum why junction say why junction. Hey radi nyankopon. Na wutimi withdraw e wo that junction no so ho. Obi say it's easy bro. Obi say tough third power. Golden boy we say easy home. Why junction so wutimi puli up sir. Golden boy I say I catch me no say why junction so wutimi puli up. Hey, ball ho dey no ball ho. E was say bitimi hand down ball na me go sua. Because I was say bitimi go sua. Abranti no say bitimi manage when na government I don't know. Mo case mam nipa bebre. Obi say it's easy bro. Sir. Hey, na man for di djuma. Mo say no mo go asa. Djuma mu di no. Na say mo taye. When the paper is easy. When the paper is easy. Like I said, Ajuma Mudi no. Golden boy, Ajuma Mudi no. And then the teacher knew where the abba nigga so be na to a person my pon. Mu nyina Ajuma Mudi no. Like I said, teacher knew like I said, mo pese mo se ne ko so na mo we ne keke mebo a. E say mu nyina Ajuma Mudi no. Oh, Nyankopon, nti no wa botre no because senka wo bie niam ni so the screen bi abom ewiem bebe am ya hu niam e koso wo various corners a on. Mimi good night. I teacher for my by name said you're moving kwala no school ho no. Abadi ya. Asema na me hwe video na me kan say wa wo ba hwe ba tete ba makwala ku school na obesoli akofa ofun be ko internet akona oba na obi de ne ete science lab omo ye biology. Oh, already Nyankopon jinipa oti ofa me be wo baba. Ama kwasiampani bi aba bebu na ya se agum sei. Akwa we tadua tin. Ye pe memo makosi akan ma black stars nya akwa we kura tadua we de Ghana krom. Nipa be de no awu. Yey. Uncle, you see your brotherhood. My brotherhood no mahu de omo yela. Enti na ma betina hai. Abadi ya o. Sa wo be wo pa. Na kwasiampani bi se ras gotoka. Kofa baba. Fan fabone. Na branti akoda ye de na ba school. Se kire na de. Minim se emaiwa no kwada no ne no se de omo gina gina omo so no. We teacher ni na se nyamesuro ni wo mu a ebeye dene. Enne se de kwada no omo hu sisi omo so na se de omo hu gina omo so na se de minim metiase me ya we bet eno no emma kwan se kona kofa obi baba continue the Deuteronomy. There be. It is not allowed. It is not fine. Huh? Oh my goodness. Kwane be ma wa papa. I don't me bridge pound. No, it's not allowed. A teacher for. Wait, now a teacher na utie me a. Muntie me. Your school ma say my teacher for taka kire and say mo emema na mo class ha say no. My one offer is the girl underage. Menye shows a girl underage. Akwala we. And je woni chorus ana girl we man akwala ni underage. Chorus ana lady we ma watch. Sorry them hono. Me ko to say no mo ya sorry. Ana ababa we not to no. Na o ma chorus. Na chorus na ababawa no man wonya underage obi ka just ababawa we underage obwa underage be no betima masa chorus no ana mo se meboa. Hey princess mumudu do say na nti mo betimi overcome such sintudua we ababawa no me pese me de nanim ebeto ha wonya akwada sa o akwada na akwada o eti bataza metiasie enfum so bataza ye nyina ne se enye school woni gye na ho a woni ne nkeka na kofie ko ho a wo foi na no kwa na school mu science lab eti baby ye koye practicals adia no ka na sa besi so adia no ka na besi so because e wa science lab and a science lab on so de ekosua ade o koye practicals ho enti person kire me say biology mo practicals na o mo ye no ho ana da bi o biology mo practicals na o mo ye no science lab ho ana yes me tia say science lab and akwa no science teacher and ababa no so student enti eye lab ho no practicals na o mo ye no eye biology practicals and I say eye Archimedes principle practicals eno na me tia say sisi ya eno na me tia say Obisi, why was the light on? Na me won ade no ye boy de ku Francis so mo target mama se kote so no rezi a on se kote so no ema ne mu so na se libido no ko high a on eno sa no light kura di asisu kura hu se light is I'm afraid of the conference. W. Oh, you saying I got about a science doctor so Timmy breaking your madam Matias, and Mutia Mipa. Ubedrugana ha. Papa Sam, that I see you. Ubedrugana ha, your boy you come at that room, is saying I a science student. Now, the attorney said, oh, baby, I didn't think a one room light in our science lab. They tell one room light in our science lab when they say. Se kote so no level no ko high se kote so no intensity ni raise a on won girl no say de wabu no musa no say de wabu no musa no mo a wo ye graph for school mo do say na ye graph okay won say wo he ma set mu a ye wo ma fa ma ye wo ayi bi a ye di cha diagonal won bibi sa enti Bema no cortisol level or high. Ti me ba. Ti dem me break it down. Bema no the cortisol level go high. And ababa wano. Why you read this Venn diagram no betima concave ade no or concave. Nipa nsua science. Kwala de bebon, kwala no hu ade. Kwala no hu ade. Protractor. Medase. Eti se wo bisa se editing na one room light na in that period na intensity no high no was a moment na intensity no very high no we focus ne wo diagonal attention na ewo carbodome no so unim carbodome ewo carbodome no so e ba sa light so ohun se light so wo focus ne wo tension ne wo check striker wo pese wo target wo pese pakum wo pese wo shoot hit target on attention wo eti ma mumble mu abrantie ne say one room light no there be at that moment no tension e wo hit mu de na da mu yankwada na meboa mbese ni pa bia kiss wo de hasisi yana obi si dragon spring kwanu be ma wa papa ya ka se fa wa ka asema mu do se na mko sku mu ye twi ya ka se fa wa ka asema abrante ne be ma wa papa hey na bole ho de na mudi de na mudi ne bole ho abrante ne bole ni anase ofiri ba bi na akwatra de bole ho de na mudi ne bole ho da bi ho de bole ho si di pati because ni pe yam wo everybody nyankopon abrante we pa enti so wa wo hwe me no ti se obaba na wo hu se ye bending is here how will you feel patch on one was flip mode it's been a while I see you obese Telegram link. Pacho. Mo ni suya mo dedodo. Open Telegram link akwede. Mo ni suya mo dedodo. Bonsu, bọ́ọ̀lì ọmọdé tó ta fi ọ̀hún. Masa, ẹ̀yà asẹ̀m kí tó asẹ̀m yẹ ká ní sàánù. Nánú ya ti kuroma sẹ́ na Russia ní abranti bá. You see, na wẹ́n na ẹ̀kọ́ so nyina no mi mẹ́bìlẹ̀ mu Russia ní abranti yẹn. Tí mi bá. Yẹ sẹ́ dàwàdàwà nso ta di ẹ̀ta sani ní ẹ̀mẹ̀ mu ọ̀hún. Dàwàdàwà nso ta sani ní ẹ̀mẹ̀ mu. Eso tadi dawa eno so bie ni emam obisi hu ha kese motie nyina obi e video ni bia hwe nipa be ko heavy swa nipa be ko heavy ni swa amafo obisa what is the video nipa be ko heavy ni swa wabrabom ha we teacher ni na wo hwe me a tie me ye teacher ni am wo hwe me wa say misramo I have a serious message to tell the teachers watching me here. Abra ni ye go school your teacher for ka kire ye say yima enko emai wana amuni omo class no enya mo size no omo mo size no omo kg 2 kg 3 nti mo focus na mo sua de e na ye de ye focus na na ye sua de tie de ya dwe no bukura fidi omo ani omo class no so sana mo na mo ria de no mo ka kire say ye ni firi nkwala no so ni sua de enye re hu sua de ye ni firi nkwala no so ye re hu sua de a na mo ri nkwada no teacher for on the most serious news a teacher for mesramu mo nhyɛ mo akɔnɔ so Mark Abraham sɛ menka nkyerɛ mo sɛ mo nhyɛ mo akɔnɔ so why ye ma no ye de omo brɛ mo sɛ mo nkyerɛ mofra no kwan pa won fa so na wonyini a wanyera yan for omo amma sɛ mo mfa omo nkɔ this practical session da bi nya practical we ne ka why yesrɛ mo nya practical we ho asɛm nti ne de nkwala ne ba school why yesrɛ mo na we no ase ba ko na ne de apie na akofa teacher for no bebere mo wi nkwada no ane de no kura mo wi nkwada no no de anka na ebo mo wi nkwada no no ye fo nyi obi na me ho baba na di me baba ye betimi ewu abom me fa me kwasa so nko eti me ma semo a me kan nyina so amanfo che video no comment section mi manya bi na me kasa no amanfo je link ni numbers for comment section ko pe video ni bia mi manya bi na me kasa amanfo nya bre comment section ho G link, G number, ko pay video ni bia hwe. For your information, brotherhood. I think say your next election, I was out brand tell you TV elected. I was here to be elected as the CEO of Tedua. The CEO of Tedua. The CEO of Tedua. You know, it shouldn't be so. Yes, and penny for baby said, do you remember my dear on Papa Nisaqua? Timmy, you do you remember my dear on Papa Nisaqua? But a year manner, your man and your my dear, yea, your man and your mamma fire man and yet and Pamonum, there be. Ya ni nkwada ne bere mo se mo nkyere o made ma mo fa nkwada no enye kalomo enwe nkwala no enye it is we can't condone this. I am pained I I am pained. Me just said wawadua pa papa baba way wawadua papa baba way enka me hu ye enka abofra baba wa young as you are so hu wa ye di medical kofra wo fo ka kire mama ndase dada wo ma hu wo e ma nipa baba ebe ku wo no tiemie me hu ye kan kwada ababa wa kwa de ka hu wo aka udwane maba wa ma ba ka hu wo aka mudwane ababa way as young as she is what who wine today wine today ubedwane boy panimbro ni pambro amama opa aba beku wo no amama opa aba beku wo no wono wa my pi r square am my pi r square and I wono wo je wo no this is unacceptable. No. It's not fine. You to me want to take kwada and shan kwada into school fees, man kwada and school so moment you idea. Na mountain school mo na munin kwada no. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. We can't condone this. Che, obuso na number ho de kwaje video ni bia hwe no. Erade nyakopo. Say see that he chop with CD. There be say ti obo roller. Say ti one for CD o. Raw. One for CD o. Wo bo ade no raw. Na ebeka krama na dru the horizon no. And also pull it off. Obedu horizon or no pull it back. Akwa no hwa ade no obetaye. Because in benefit safety first. Yes, safety first in Tino. Akwa no ompe da kyasem, ompe antena asem, ompe mama ifasem, ompe ohini ni ada so asem ni ade ne mu nkyire mu tinti bi antino. We pull it off. Also the crank as we dia bofra no. Ori akwada no papa. Ori akwada no papa. Ori akwada no. Hi. A generation when Ankasa no. Debbie. Over me. I give up. Generation when I have I give up. He said nipa nsura de ehu ni bibia mu. Asofo Bobby wo pulpit so. Asofo Bobby wo pulpit so. Mo videos ni bi. Oh, asofo Bobby wo pulpit so. Teacher for Bobby wo science lab. Politicians Bobby wo office. Any car muni ade. Hey! Na Africa je be develop ni. Demudi Africa, demudi ye dance here no. Demudi Africa development here no. One Bobby wo pulpit so, Bobby wo pulpit so. One Bobby office is Bobby office. Oh, there no more than any fantasy home. Obviously the video is nice rough. Hey, na moto sala moto here. Hey, sweet Abena, you have the video. What do you know? Yes, sir. They do it. I guess I'll bum. Yeah. They do it. I guess I'm a bum. Hey. Enwo banfa kwada no mbere mu school na mo nkyere kwada na de a de wo ye no bataza bole bataza de wo ye no de wo te bole ho ye no bole bataza de wo te bole ho ye no de wo te bole ho ye no chirebe da wase premier ante de da wase Ocean and so on, no don't book a judge by its cover. And I'm going to say, don't judge a book by its cover. Yeah, don't judge a book by its cover. That's a man correct. Ocean said, your bataza, Ginawa, offers to soon that. Ocean said, your bataza, Ginawa, offers to soon that. She said, your whole crackety, offers to soon that. Timu maba wana abranche bi hia mo na one mo keka na ni gye mo ho a na ana okra ho ketenkete den na betima hey men kasa asem ni biem men yesa me don't judge a book by its cover what hey wo be wo ye besie wo wie na ate ho no ye be wo dem maba wani bi ai otimi show flap kra no or the be cancel ho na kire e na we ono just ono so person just open me na o me no ko dem ma me ro me ho a obetima gina manim hey eni yera wo mu asam ni na wo kan na set am asam na wo kan eni o ka tira brand say o ro ho obetima gina wanim sa okay uni mo wu ahwe na amanfo de 9 miensa ne na masasi so amanfo de 9 miensa obi so akwasi for so far adan we jealous ana say o percent me jealous na me ana e kama ko mama baba wa no because me no me wadi so ade mo say me wo mama bebre because me pema asem tim pesa me wo mama bebre enso me hwe wawadua a yedi sina yedi na afi me tadi akora adwo the future is very bright. The future is very, very bright. The future is very, very, very bright. And Kodana Bano had Jenny say, we omumienu nyina edifo and Kodana Banino had na social media cramonje. And I had a chair last paper near a school near Befia. Among folk munina ye eti and Kodano this generation maba wana banon. I don't know what is going on. I don't know where they are learning certain things from, and they are not shy, they are not afraid. There is a particular content on social media. My friend say, share your darkest secret with us. Some of these bloggers, omo content be, omo interview ladies nibi. Now ladies no any omo share omo darkest secret. Like secretary, why ya obia ni mo hwa na say very very na metie maba wani bi ne niema wo mo aye ni suma se a me ka kire me ho say mo ma ware dada no mutie ya ka na kire na eba no nkoso pa na aka nkoso nipa bewu nipa nkoso mo amadi kan ware ne de mutie mo fa mu ntam na dia ka kire na eba no nkoso uni munkoso what's content what's just content nkoda na kire na ma omutimi je ne suma se a ofa sa musi just content keke nti ma me fa serious one eni ya wase content keke because me tie nkoda na bia me ti mo say hey di pa be dia di no I remember SHS time. You go prep, you back class. Mamba we back class That time na makeup na, that time na makeup you be my makeup na. Na my that time na the powder na na ye omo makeup no. Na akwada back class. Na akwada babawa said you be fan ho. Atwi na ni echi omo wo se kaji bi. Na wa ma powder na wa to na no. Na wa ye no fire better classroom ho. The teacher ni wura classroom ho a na wan kan tim na nyame soro ni mu a wo de confusion e be gina classroom sa akopem so be wiakọ obo na obenyasam teacher ni benyasam a teacher for mu nue wate teacher for mu kafra wate okun na dam wani me mete ase minim menye teacher ni me kon no se me teacher ni bet me temu ase obi so fa e we nam self drink water e we nam me das a teacher for Munkafra, what? Munkafra. Why? A teacher for Munkafra. Teachers, I feel your pain. Teachers, I know what you guys are going through, especially SHS teachers. Teacher for Muchra, they were SHS. I know what you guys are going through. I know the. We're grammar friend is simple. I know the obstacle in front of you, around you, ahead of you. I know, I understand. Minim suntudiane okwa ewo mwanim. Now to overcome it nya better because akwada na nkasa no na mo no opese o test ade no so ade no hwe hu de wom. Akwada na every generation no they are so inquisitive. They are so inquisitive. They want to know, they want to experiment everything. The generation na eba sisi ya akwada na eba no they are not scared of anything. They are so inquisitive. They want to experiment. Eti ade na wo ka kire ni say hu men kotra men koso nhwe no opese ono no kono koso hwe ko hwe de wo ho senye sa ka premiere enda brante we aha mu ma kwada we nkotena sinko abusha mapon wa ocha blasters o match why na se blasters goalkeeper na o mo baba ball no se obi ehwie na antiman mo mefa brante nkoda podium ne be ma dafa na ne na mi dafa obi entimi hye mi do na me abrante we so china tizigi mu ni a boys na ntimi am ball ni ya mefa brante we nko park no so nko gina because o 9 years o advantage am I wanna ne wo mo ewo SHS wo school mu no hu I say UK abani social media nti ene UK akwada onya 16 years oni access to social media e was say Ghana ban as soon as possible we implement this law ni bi sisi Sam George we implement law ni bi akwada nya 18 years Ghana eni kwan say wo access to social media because ene social media na man kwada no hu ade no theory ni nyina ti o mu pese o mu practically practice social media man kwada na hu theory ni nyina ti di o ma mi na papa ye wodem no na mo no nim ni nyina onim bibia ti e say di o pa ni say o be practice ya practically bi enter as it should be 21 years madam for me that's a boss. Yes, it was a Ghana government didn't nice form. Now we talk to say social media na eba be kire ya de ebe ma yehu abe my information but I'm sorry what family we to da me nam TikTok no so na me hu bibi na matiam Jesus na madum na ma call off because nkwada na adai omo de suntu bia gutentan so dada ye ho chinchim ye ho enti nya bi na mrante bi di akira obo nu akosa ni scan ya twena di enu bi na mrante ni di akira obo nu akọ ni di yam na akọje number na oni no omo be prepare na ba akọ de ko wi ante na meboa omo ene social media na ye dwene senka eba be educate ya be inform no I take a different twist, a different turn altogether. Social media no abeye a dangerous tool more than educative tool. Enti UK bronina ono no de ade no ba ye no kra say wa bane unya 16 years enko 16 years dey at least won wa develop to the point to say you know how to choose your left from your right or right from your left and by 18 years no adwene na nyini enti no afre na we be open to certain things and no kra we betima process ya ansana otimi take decision but yeah say you know right from 8 9 10 years konya no mkrofon etiti social media no so enti bibia only 15 years no nim bibia hu bibia to hu premier onwane because premier hu fe me pese me test premier hwe na teacher ni bataza ono ni de ni sai onyini wa na be wa papa onyini na danase Akwasi for so for one thing is that she didn't complain o tedua no kase ni nyina achi yes enkoda no is almost so hill enkoda no so hill and Kodano are not scared of anything. They want to experiment everything. They want to experiment. They are so curious to test so that when they go for, when they meet as peers, as young ladies, as obeti media kasa, hey, share, my experiment way, my experiment. It's in Quran in Suro. Yamen Kaya home. One quada ye woman. In your mamma no more schools I will do. Yame penny in your moye. Your mamma no ma. Premre, kwaku destiny. Premre, neda. Ayi. Bole bataza, premre neda bole bataza. I say our denam school go trad. Premre. I mean, can your mom go schools mo? Mom buy my hey. Generation we no konedi. Papa. Nya kon ketwa wo generation we no konedi. Me pa cho request bra na me pick why. Na the work can be catch why. O request ya na ma pick why. Hey.
The nation uncle. You make a laugh.
Official survivor.
The nation uncle.
Are you on the highway? Are you on the highway?
Honestly, is that?
Are you on the highway?
No, what happened?
Are you aware of what is going on the highway?
The nation uncle. We are having a brotherhood meeting. And when we are changing, we have a brotherhood chairman. Now we are changing the brotherhood chairman. We are giving it to this gentleman.
Emergency meeting. We have to organize an emergency meeting for brotherhood camp. I swear.
I'm telling you, we are changing the chairman and we are electing this brother man as the chairman of the Brotherhood Association. Yeah. Chairman, I watched the video. They were conducting scientific experiment in a scientific laboratory, and they were using horses apparatus. Over yo. Over yo. The apparatus used in the laboratory was a horse apparatus, horses apparatus. Over yo. No. How God take the give the thing to people? How you take share away some of us? Yeah.
This life no balance at all.
No. I was even thinking Chairman was using a short microphone, SMB. I was like, oh, what the man is holding this? No.
So Survivor, check your mic well. We can't hear you.
Okay, now you can hear me.
Now we can hear you.
Yeah. So aside that, my concern is that I watch so many posts about this, and I heard that allegedly the guy has been arrested, and another one allegedly has been banned from the school. And I'm asking, allegedly, what will happen to the lady? Because he didn't rape the lady. It was mutual understanding. But somehow the man is facing all the backlashes and all the punishment. Everything is coming to the man. But the lady was the one burning like cobra and doing all kind of things. The lady enjoyed it. So why is it that things like this in our society, the law come directly to the men and attack the men, but the ladies go scot-free? And when it happened like that, this lady, many of them, they crash on the men. Okay, they crash on the teachers. They also make advances toward the teachers. The teachers, they not be robots. So they also somehow need her. So if both of them agree and then they fire, why is the man alone receiving punishment? Because it was misconduct. Let's agree to that fact. Complete misconduct. But it was misconduct from both the lady and the teacher side. So why is the teacher alone facing the consequences? With this, let me tell you this short one. I went to Ola School. I went to work at Ola School. So when we went there, I'm saying this, I did do video call with my girlfriend before I'm saying this, but I'll say it, you forgive me. But then that was te. So We went to Ola. So when we went to Ola, the girls' school. So we were like, okay, maybe we go get something, see something. And the things that we were hearing constantly till we came back and we refrain ourselves is that the ladies will implicate you if you don't know and you are doing anything with them mutually. And somehow they catch you people, they will say that you came for them, and then you will be in trouble and they will go scot-free. So because of this, the ladies always make advances towards us and we run away. Because whenever it happens, you the men are going to face the problem. So I'm asking that why is it always so, Ofayawo? Can you explain this to us? Because it's not making sense to me.
It is the reason why always we the men are the one being held responsible is that in our society it is men that make the move most. You understand? In our society, it is we the men that always make the move. The lady might show interest, but to come forward and tell you that say so and so and so, no. But reading from the action, the teacher might definitely, or the guy or the man involved might definitely take advantage of the lady's actions towards him. Showing that if I trigger this, it will work for me. And then on that note, the teacher will make a move. And in that case, having this mindset or having this general view that in our society, it is always the man or the man who will go for the woman or the lady. That's why whenever such happens, we always hold the men responsible, and mostly the ladies go scot-free. You get my point?
I get your point, but when it happens like that, you see if there is equal punishment. If the men make a move, the ladies also they know that if I fall victim to this, I will have the consequences also. So that will also pressure them to be refraining and resisting the men. But if they know that if they go in, there will be no punishment for them, then they will be accepting, and then the men will be falling into, it should be both ways.
No, and in this case, as a teacher, you've gone through training. So professionally, you shouldn't even dare go there at all, because it is against your profession to do this to a student. Let's not get this. Let's not twist this. Not an ordinary man or lady or guy out there. Not ordinary guy, ordinary lady out there. This is an institution, school, and the teacher and the student. So you, the teacher, should know better that in no circumstance, even if the lady naked herself and opened her legs, as a teacher, professionally trained, having code of conduct, ethics in your profession, you shouldn't dare try that at all. And to the point of science lab. And to the point of science lab. You get my point? Should this happen at home? Maybe the guy's home, maybe, after school. Fine, after school, I'm not saying it's okay, it's good, but in the school and at the science lab, you can be held responsible that it is not even the first time, it is not even the last time, Master, you've been doing the thing because you got the film to do this at the science lab. That is practical biology. You get the point. So, survivor.
I get you, Ofayawo. But if the teachers are trained in that regard, and they have rules and regulations to engage in, and things they should not engage in, shouldn't the student also have some rules and regulations restraining them from, something like that?
I never hold the student responsible, because the student is more or less like a fragile, like somebody who knows nothing. He is coming to be trained by you, the teacher.
Okay. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense.
Train and prepare this student for the society. So you are the trainer who is here to train a being into the society. You shouldn't go to that extent with what you are coming to train.
Oh, it makes sense. It makes sense. It is clear. This one is still the whole thing. No doubt, nothing. This is clear. This is clear right here. No further question. But so there's somebody in your comment. Efia Sweetness is giving some code right there. That some people should go for lick tube and go. Efia Sweetness be bad girl.
Efia Sweetness. Things they
If
happen.
there's,
oh.
you know me small.
Things they
If
go
there's
on for
sweetness,
this
chat
world.
me,
oh.
chat me,
Things
chat
they
me.
go on. oh. People they do things. So we there our home, we there our room. When we finish eating, we sleep. Just say, things they
I
happen.
went to your
oh.
Facebook page. People who are not following your fire or Facebook page, you are missing a lot. I went to your Facebook page and then I realized that because when the thing happened, I know that no fire will be on the highway dropping some code. So I rushed to your Facebook page and then fire uploaded an image and wrote a lot of scientific code. I cannot understand anything.
My goodness.
Yeah, I cannot understand anything of the whole. I said, hey, Ofaya is dropping code. He said, over to brotherhood. I said, no, we need to have a meeting.